Guys, welcome to your Monday Tight Ass Monday raffle. My voice is croaky because the tight fucking get on them. So bear with me. We're playing for this, if I could hold it up right, Glary Cable Ties album. Awesome concept, I reckon, started by Jake. I love it. The fact that we're just doing this for the tunes, guys. This is just, we're not making any money out of it. And it's a cool way to share some stuff that we've heard, that we like. And it's great. I'm just keep looking at that Dick Smith logo thinking, Jesus, it's been a while. I'll probably need to update my Guernsey. Good jersey. Oh. See, I follow American sport and Australian sport. I don't know how to say it. Anyway, enough waffle. Let's do this raffle. We have an empty box. We have 36 of the Perfy lids going in. I figure I'm probably not going to do another raffle this week, so I may as well get all the Tiger stuff out now. Alright, just bear with me, guys. I'll just bring up the list here, so we are good to go. See how unorganised I am? Bloody hell. Here we go. That'll be this one. Nope, that'll be this one. Cool, let's take that out here. Scintillating television. I'm sure you're all fast forwarding here. Why can't I bloody open that? There we go. Okay, we're good to go. Alright guys, last one out is the winner. Once again, apologise for the voice. Let's do this. First out is number 17, which is Nicholas, one of your two. Nice even spread of spots too, which is good. 36 is Mark, one of your two as well. 11 is Ronnie, our lucky lotto winner. Also got it wrapped up. Go and check it out. Number 1. Oh, Ronnie, 2 in a row, man. That is brutal. Apologies. Thanks for playing. You think with only two spots that wouldn't happen, but there you go. 24 is Deanne. Where are you, Deanne? Down the bottom there. I could probably do some Tom Waits covers today, I reckon. 21 is Danny. So that's Danny Tuan, not Danny Danger. We're two Dannys here. 13. Brad, I think that was your spot that you got from Erina. Thanks, Erina, for that gesture too. And unfortunately, that's you gone, Brad. Thank you for playing, though. Good luck next raffle. Number 9 is Jake, who came up with this concept. Come here. Number 8 is Deanne. That is you done too, Deanne. Apologies, we lose you there. Stuck together. 28 is Alistair. It's your one and only, Alistair. We lose you there. Thanks for playing. 14 is Jamie. Welcome, Jamie. 12 is Jake. Sorry, dude. That is your last one. Thanks for playing. 18. Matt. I think you only had 1, 2, Matt. Yeah, sorry, buddy. That's you done. 34 is Danny Danger. Still one left. Number 10 is Nicholas. That is your second two, buddy. Thank you for playing. 31 is Erina. Your one that was left. We lose you there. Drop it like flies. Thanks for playing, mate. 33 is Craig. First time I've called your name, Craig. Number 4 is Stephen. $32 is Benjamin. First one for you too, Benjamin. Grab one, it'd help. 15. Hamburger. First one for Booker. 16. In a row. 15 is Stephen. Sorry, Stephen, that's where we lose you. Thanks for playing. I hope my voice comes back before the weekend. It's pretty shit. 25. Gavin. First hit for you, Gavin. 6 is Mitch. First hit for you as well, Mitch. 22. Jamie, that is you done, mate. I think, yep. Thanks for playing. See you again soon. 23 is Hamburger Man. You are done. Sorry. Thank you for playing. About 10 left. Getting down to the wire, guys. Number 20. Benjamin. Sorry, mate. That is you done as well. 19 is Mark. I think that is you. Yep. Sorry, Mark. Thanks for playing. Number 3. Danny Danger. Thank you for playing as always, Danny. Number 7 is James. It's your first hit, James. 26 is Craig. Sorry, Craig, that is you done as well. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 6 to go. 27 is James. Where are you, James? Sorry, James. That is you done. 29 is Danny Toulan. That is you done as well, Danny. 4 to go. Actually, I've got, so according to my records, Mitch has got 1 left, Gavin's got 1 left, and Noah's still got 2 left in the box. So 50-50 odds for Noah. We'll see what happens. 4th place is number 30. God, you're gonna need a cup of lemon tea or something, or maybe whiskey. It's only Monday. Number 2 is Gavin. Wow. So that means we've got 2 left. Oh, which is, with the odds like this is incredible actually. There's 2 spots left. The bridesmaid is number 35, which is Noah. And crazily enough, our winning number is indeed number 5, which is Noah Piper. Congratulations, mate. That is, seriously, with that many people playing, to get your 2 spots, 1 and 2, I don't know what the odds are for that to happen, but clearly meant to be, mate. This bad boy is yours. I really love it. I think it's probably one of my favourite albums of the year so far, actually. It's just really, really cool, and I hope you dig it. I'll post that out to you. Just PM me your shipping address and I'll get it off to you later this week, before the grand final when Richmond win. Yeah, we can only hope. All right, guys. Thanks for that. We'll see you the next